This is an immaculate, loaded 2015 39Z SeaVee in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Currently tendered to 102 Burger Intermission. The name of this boat is Showtime, piloted by Captain Mike Lewis. Owner's ready for a brand new toy. This is the nicest SeaVee you'll find on the market today. Engines that have had full service, you can hear how quiet they are. Those are quad 350 Mercruisers, 300s rather. Verados. Top speed 75 miles per hour. SeaVee has become the leading contender in high performance offshore center consoles. This has the Delta Conic hull, which allows it to ride high and on the surface, and is currently coming on the market December 2020, just in time for Christmas. One of the best running boats built in America today. This comes from a venerable shop down in Hialeah, Florida. Been in business since the 1960s. And about 10 years ago, they started giving Intrepid a run for their money. And now they are the superior product with a waiting list. This boat was $479,000 new in 2015. My owner purchased her with warranties. And the warranties have just expired, but you won't find a cleaner 39 SeaVee quad boat on the market today. And my owner wants it sold by Christmas. Hydraulic opening front lavatory, Simrad 72 mile radar, full towing harness, towing brackets on the bow, custom seating setup on the bow, all brand new factory cushions. Hey Mike, when were the cushions done? November? Last month. Cushions just done. October 2020. Vessel's hull has a custom navy blue all craft paint job. Those extremely powerful quad Verados are very quiet and economical at idle. And they're run every weekend, so this boat has done no sitting. Currently at 1,400 hours. Yep. But professionally maintained, captain maintained.